Boker Tov, everyone. We're continuing in Shir Hashirim, Perek Daled, Pasuk Tetvav. Mayan Ganim Ber Mayim Chaim Venozelim Min Levanon. So the pasuk literally means this is a continuation from the pasuk earlier, which talks about the Ketoret, and as the Gaon Mevilna says, this is an additional continuation of the parts of Torah. As we mentioned, every part of the Ketoret has a different part, Midrashim and Diktukim, and so many parts of the Torah. So here it's Ma'ayan Ganim, a spring that waters gardens, Be'er Mayim Chaim, a well of water of life, Venozelim min Levanon, which flows down from the Lebanon, which referring to flowing down from mountains. As the Pirush over here says, it's kind of all one thing, that the springs are watering the gardens with beautiful clean water that comes straight down from the mountains. And this connects to the Torah that Bnei Israel learn, and when it's coming from a Ma'ayan, it's bli hefsek, without stop. And Bnei Israel learn Torah without stop, as the Zohar HaKadosh says that if there would be one moment in the world with no Jews learning Torah, then it would go back to Tohu Vavohu. So at every time, at every moment, there's someone learning Torah, and therefore the world is bili hefsek, without any stop. Rashi over here tells us that HaKadosh Baruch Hu is telling of Bnei Israel how great we are with regards to mitzvot that have to do with water, that have to do with going to the mikveh, Benot Israel going to the mikveh as nidah, and also Bnei Israel metaher themselves with the mikveh, and also we metaher our kelim with the mikveh, with our vessels. So this has to do with all the notions of water here in this pasuk. The Gaon of Vilna has a very short one-liner explaining this pasuk, because he had all the items of the Ketoret as different things. He says over here, not sure the reasons why, but he says Ma'ayan Ganim is keneged Chokhmah, Be'er Mayim Chaim is keneged Bina, Venozelim Levanon is keneged Da'at. Chokhmah, Bina, Vadat, the three types of wisdom that is in Chokhmah, and that is connected to the pasuk here. The Sefer Hokech has a few beautiful explanations. He says the three over here is Ma'ayan, Be'er, Venozelim, the spring, a well, and flowing. This again is the Torah's Meshuleshet, Torah Nevim Ketuvim, the three Avot, Avraham, Yitzchak, and Yaakov, and Kohanim, Leviim, and Israelim. He also says if you go back to the start of these praises, it's Gan Na'ul Achoti Chala. So we had Gan is a garden, and he says Gal Na'ul. Gal we said was a stream, was a wave, a stream. So Gal Na'ul, and then Ma'ayan Chatu. Ma'ayan is a spring. Then again in this pasuk it's Ma'ayan, Be'er, Venozelim. That's 5 expressions of water, which is connected the 5 Chamisha Chumshei Torah. And he says also Shelachayich Pardes Rimonim, which refers to the type of field that gets watered on, and that is the 6th, which connects to the Shisha Sidrei Mishnah. Be'er Mayim, he says, is the letters Avram, which Avraham Avinu had the zechut of being Avraham Avinu and starting as our first Av, as the Avot, because he said Yukachna me'at mayim. He told his guests, take water. It connects to the water in this pasuk, and through the Chesed, that's him started to be our Av. Also, as this pasuk talks about the Torah, Be'er Mayim Chaim, Be'er is a well, but also Leva'er means to explain. Leva'er et Torah, to explain the Torah. And he has a beautiful ending here, that Be'er Mayim Chaim, the last letters of each of these 3 words is Resh, Mem, Be'er Mayim Chaim, and the Safet Tevot it should be another Mem, but he connects to the Chet of Chaim, which is the Ramach Evarim, which is the Ramach 248 Mitzvot Aseh. Venozlim in Levanon is the numerical value of 365, which is the 365 Mitzvot Lo Ta'aseh. So this connects to the Mitzvot as well. So another pasuk of HaKadosh Baruch Hu praising Bnei Israel for their Torah learning, for their connection to Torah, to their connection to the Mitzvot, of nidah and mitzvot of water, and Bezrat Hashem it should be below hefsek, without any stop in all of our lives, continuous with mitzvot and Torah and maasim tovim. Baruch Adonai le'olam, amen ve'amen. Rabbi Chananya ben Akashya omer, רצה הקדוש ברוך הוא לזכות את ישראל אחיו ואחיו בעלם תורה מסור שנאמר, אדוני חפץ למען צדקו, יגדיל תורה וידיר.